The Bird Surprise. E-Story Project. In the year 1879, Rothschild and his advisor Benjamin came to Petah Tikva to see the new settlement. Benjamin was very clumsy, and everywhere he visited he got into trouble, and it took a lot of time to fix the situation. Today, when we visited Petah Tikva, you didn't get into trouble.
You are right, and we enjoyed ourselves.
They rode to the next settlement.
2 years later, they came back to Petah Tikva.
The land looks better than the last time.
Benjamin looked around for land that Rothschild could buy. While doing so, he sang to himself. He was so concentrated in his songs that he did not notice a hole in the ground.
If I were a rich man, la di da di da di da di da di da di da di
Okay, thank you very much for this land, Mr. Solomon. Benjamin, are you coming? Benjamin, where are you? I hope you did not get into trouble. Suddenly, wings grew on Solomon's hands, and he flew by the Yarkon River directly to the hole where Benjamin fell.
It seems that not only I'm clumsy, but I'm also imagining things. A human being with bird wings? What a lot of nonsense!
I'm probably dreaming.
Solomon's feet turned into birds' clouds and used them to pick up Benjamin out of the hole. What happened?
I fell into a hole, and the birdman came to rescue me.
It was a busy day for Rothschild and Benjamin, so they climbed their horses and came home. Such an occurrence never happened to them anywhere. That's why Rothschild named Petah Tikva the City of Miracles.